I can't believe it's still alive. I thought it was a fish. It's like trying to kill it. I didn't know they would eat other birds.
Oh, you can't eat it.
No, this is shitty.
Oh, there it goes! It came back up. It's trying to drown it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's the grossest thing.
Go find yourself a fish.
This is like National Geographic.
No, this is shit you see on TV.
Really? It's trying to swallow the damn pigeon still. It's alive. It's doing that again. It's climbing back out to its mouth again.
He's not gonna get it down.
Well, it's so bulky and it's got like feathers and wings and stuff. Oh, you just tossed him back.
Le tiro un cacharro, eh.
Diego no.
He just swallowed it. Oh my gosh. Talk about a gut bomb.